Romanesque art. Competences. What will you learn in this unit? In this unit, you will develop the following competences. Content. Understand how historical and social events influenced the works of art. Language. Express some ideas using knowledge and an art vocabulary. Skill. Identify the main characteristics of Romanesque style. Lead-in. Have you ever heard about the term Romanesque? Have you ever visited a Romanesque church? Which century are we going to talk about? Vocabulary. Match each word with its definition in Italian. Cathedrals, monasteries, built, columns, arches, developed, brought. Read. The Romanesque style refers to the types of cathedrals, monasteries, and places of religion built during the 11th and 12th century in Europe. The Romanesque style gets its name from looking very Roman in appearance. In other words, columns and arches were frequently used, just like in ancient Roman architecture. The Romanesque style first developed in Normandy. Then, the Normans who landed in England brought the Romanesque style with them. Vocabulary. Landed, brought. Context. How was society at that time? At that time, there was a particular social system called feudalism. Feudalism was a social system based on the work done by peasants, farmers, for a landowner who gave protection in return. Later, kings built castles. Art content. What happened in art? In this period, artists built many churches. Some churches were built specifically for pilgrims who had to travel great distances. Who were the pilgrims? Pilgrims were faithfuls who traveled long distance to worship relics of the saints. The characteristics of Romanesque churches. Small windows and thick walls. Tunnel vaults. Crosswise arches. Romanesque painting. During the Romanesque period, artists created beautiful mosaics and frescoes with religious themes to decorate the interior of the churches. Art, at that time, had to function to teach religion to illiterate people. During the Middle Ages, while architects built cathedrals in this new style, brought by the Normans, painters followed the Byzantine style rules. Do you remember? The Byzantine style flourished in the Eastern Roman Empire in Turkey. Do you remember the characteristics of Byzantine style? Examples of Romanesque structures. The Tower of London in England, Santiago de Compostela in Spain, the Cathedral Group of Pisa with the Leaning Tower, the Church of Sant'Ambrogio in Milan. Understand. When did this style develop? Where did this style develop? Which kind of artworks are mainly found in this period? List the characteristics of Romanesque churches. Name some examples of Romanesque churches. Listen. Listen to the statements and write true or false. The walls inside the Romanesque churches are usually decorated with mosaics or frescoes. Pilgrimage was a vacation. In the feudal system, the landowner worked for his farmer. Romanesque style was born in Rome. Speak. Fill in the blank and try to summarize orally. Word bank. Churches. Roman. Small windows. Normandy. Europe. Mosaics. Evaluation. What skill have you focused on? The end. Thank you and good luck.